In this episode, I'll explain how to cook a turkey, also how much turkey you need per person. We're going to be sharing our all-American turkey recipe and a great stuffing that goes along with it. Let's get cooking! Before we get started on the recipe, let's talk about the amount of turkey you need per person. We want to allow about 1.5 pounds. Remember, that includes the bone weight. For 4 people, you're looking at purchasing a 6-pound turkey. For 6 people, you want to buy a 9-pound whole turkey. For 12 people, you want to be purchasing an 18-pound turkey. Whether your turkey is stuffed or unstuffed, you always want to bake it at 325 Fahrenheit. This is a nice temperature that's not going to brown your turkey too quick. You're always looking for a temperature of 165 Fahrenheit. The best place to insert the thermometer is the thick part of the thigh. For an unstuffed turkey, for a 14 to 18 pound turkey, 3 3/4 to 4 1/4 hours. A 20 to a 24 pound unstuffed turkey will take between 4.5 to 5 hours, whereas a 14 to 18 pound stuffed bird is going to take between 4 and 4.5 hours. A 20 to a 24 pound stuffed turkey, 4 3/4 to 5 1/4 hours. Now I'm going to show you how to make the all-American turkey recipe. First thing we want to do is make a stock. Take the neck and the giblets and add them to the pan. Cover these with 3.5 cups of broth and let these simmer. We're going to extract all the flavours from them. I'm going to take an 18-pound turkey and I'm going to half an orange and squeeze the orange into the cavity. This adds a beautiful sweet fragrance. On the outside and the inside of the cavity, add some paprika. It adds a great taste and it really helps with the colour. I like to stuff my turkey with this harvest stuffing. It adds a great fruity flavour. We stuff it in the cavity and the neck. Take some butter that's been softened and rub it all over the turkey. Add some stock to the bottom of a roasting dish and then place your turkey on a trivet. Cover this with foil and we're going to roast this for 1.5 hours. This will cause a steaming process. After 1.5 hours, remove the foil and then I like to baste the turkey every 30 minutes. Using the pan juices for basting helps the turkey not dry out and it also helps the turkey get a beautiful colour. Raise the heat to 350. And there you have it. Look at that turkey. Let's make a gravy. We're going to take a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, add some flour. This is called a roux. It basically helps thicken up sauces. Melt those together and add those strained pan juices to the roux. Now we're going to add some other flavourings. Some sherry cuts through the fat and adds a great flavour. Some sage is a flavour that we all love. Some thyme. We're also going to add some dark molasses. This will add sweetness and colour. As this comes up to a boil, you'll notice that it will thicken nicely. Look at that gravy. I think we should take a taste. How about you? We're going to have that tender meat, the sweetness from the fruit and the stuffing, and then that gravy. Oh. The flavour of that turkey that's perfectly cooked with that sweetness of the harvest stuffing, and that gravy really is delicious. Until next time, I'm Jon Ashton. Always remember, keep it simple.